Good morning!
Oh, we're starting?
Yeah.
So, I don't know where. We're gonna make easy breakfast, Japanese style. So we're gonna make miso soup, miso shiru. So today we're gonna have it not that simple. Well, it is. We're just gonna put in a bunch of vegetables. So what we're gonna use is mushrooms, okra, fried tofu. The way to make really good miso soup is you have to have the dashi, which makes all the umami flavor. So what you want to use is kiriboshi daikon. It's like dried out daikon. Radish, big radish. Just plop in a bit. And then kombu, block of seaweed. Throw it in there. And this is gonna change everything. It's hoshi shiitake. Dried whatever mushrooms these are.
Shiitake mushrooms.
And just heat it up. You don't want to bring it to a boil because then it'll kill the kombu. It's gonna get all slimy and disgusting. You actually want to bring it just to the point of boiling, but not boiling. Then all the umami of everything will start coming out. While you're waiting, you can cut your vegetables because it'll go faster. Because nobody got time for that, you know? You can cut this small if you want, but you don't have to. Or you can use any mushroom. It's just we're using what we got. And for the okra, you can actually save more okra if you just go around it. Kind of cut like that. You get to save more instead of just chopping it right off. It's a waste. Just go like that. We're gonna make tiny slices of tofu, tiny cubes.
This is fried, so it adds a little bit of oiliness, better than normal tofu.
And you're pretty much ready.
Another option is to leave the dashi in normal water overnight. Then it'll be faster and you have some extra flavor.
I'm only gonna use one kind of miso, but you can also mix two different kinds, like shiro miso and then darker. I really don't care, but it tastes better if you use two kinds. That's what I think. Yeah, I think that's good enough. The best way to make sure that it's all out, the dashi, is to know if these are soft or not, because these are pretty rock hard. And for this amount, we're just gonna use a poop amount.
Wow.
I don't know. You can add the amount that you want. Some water in, just kind of work it in there. Miso's inside, so you want to throw in your mushrooms. Actually, putting mushrooms in earlier makes it better because their flavor goes out more. Ooh, that's a lot of mushroom.
What Jenny does between filming! Headstand! The mushrooms are nice and soaked.
Yep, they look cooked. And once that's cooked through and sitting and you get more flavor all together, then you can throw in your other stuff. Because if you're going to put this inside, you don't want to put it in too early or else everything will be completely slimy.
Yeah.
And if you like that, then it's fine. Put it in earlier, but you don't really need to because they cook fast. This too. And we like to add a bit more soy sauce just for some extra umami.
And this soy sauce is
Low sodium.
it isn't as strong as normal soy sauce, and it tastes way better.
It stays tasting fresh, that's
Yeah.
for sure.
I think it says nama, so it's raw. We're done!
Yeah.
And you do not want to put the miso soup in a rice bowl.
No.
That's a no-go. Don't put anything other than rice in a rice bowl.
Yes, this is properly for miso shiru.
Yeah. You can get them at the 100-yen store.
Yeah.
Let's get our food ready!
So the rice, today we have a mixture of brown rice and white rice. And we have natto, which is super easy for vegans. Most of the packages of these, the sauce isn't vegan, so you want to check for katsuo dashi. But this one we got a gomadare, sesame sauce, which is vegan.
But other than that, just use soy sauce.
We have our Tsukemono. This is burdock, gobo, and then our miso soup. Looking good.
And if you want, you can add in other stuff. For example, wakame, some extra seaweed. And then you can also use tororo kombu, which will make it even slimier, but it tastes also really good. So there's a simple breakfast.
Yep.
If you want, you can add some fried vegetables or something to add a bit more, but
Yeah, this
it's
is
pretty basic.
yeah, this is our simple, extremely simple breakfast or even lunch or dinner.
And if you make the miso soup the day before and just warm it up in the morning, you literally don't need to do anything.
Exactly.
See you next time!